Tree cutting is a necessary task in our lives. Trees not only provide fresh air, but also a source of food and medicine for humans. However, trees need to be pruned or felled to avoid danger to people living around them. Sometimes, cutting trees is also a way to create new space for construction projects. To carry out this task safely and efficiently, we need to have sufficient knowledge, experience, and the right equipment for cutting trees. So let's watch our video for a fresh perspective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. A vast forest opens up before the viewer's eyes. At that moment, a skilled worker wearing protective gear and equipment climbed to the top of the tree that needed to be harvested. With his expertise and experience, he quickly felled each branch accurately, keeping the tree from falling and protecting the surrounding trees. Watching him perform showed the love and dedication he had for his job, just like circus performers performing on stage for 1,000 spectators. With years of experience and a strong work ethic, he swiftly and decisively cut each small branch and then moved onto the tree trunk. A small person amidst the vast space of the forest, he seemed to be part of nature, harmonizing everything around him. This scene is not only beautiful but also meaningful, demonstrating the integration between humans and nature, along with the necessity of sustainable and ethical forest resource exploitation. To start his job, he woke up very early to prepare for them. Let's follow him to see what his specific job is like in a day. With safety equipment for tree cutting, he was slowly lifted by a giant crane towards the large branches. This job requires the worker to have good health, professional skills, and modern equipment to avoid unnecessary risks during work. After securing the ropes and each tree trunk, he began to cut the branches, the sound of the saw rubbing against the tree trunks breaking the quiet space of the entire garden. To ensure the safety of the house and creatures below, the crane lifted the cut branches from the tree and lowered them to the ground. Clearly, we can see the calculated precision of the workers and their caution in their work. After the branches are lowered, they are immediately put into the grinding system, crushed into small pieces, and taken directly to specialized transport vehicles. The smooth and professional coordination between humans and machines shows the modernity and sophistication of the work. Clearly, both planting and harvesting trees according to proper procedures are extremely important. Evaluating the planting location is crucial for future harvesting. We can see the impact of trees falling directly into a house after a storm. Let's see how the technicians handle it. With their careful skills and caution, the technicians easily handle the fallen trees, and the crane system below supports them in the process of lifting each piece of wood down to the ground. Each branch is crushed into small pieces to make transportation easier. With their strong arms, the crane gently places the crushed trees into the wood crusher. The resulting wood chips can be used for organic fertilizer production in agriculture or taken to wood processing plants for high-value gas production applications. With strong and healthy hands, the technician easily makes every cut. The tree is also processed quickly without causing any further damage during the work. The large pieces of wood will be transported to the wood processing plants to produce high-value economic products for human beings. If planting trees requires techniques in planting and care, harvesting requires precision and calculation in the tree cutting process. In addition to a professional technician, the support of modern machinery is extremely important for efficient work. The video gives you a more comprehensive look at this job. Tree cutting technique requires professional knowledge from technicians, as well as accurate evaluations before the work is carried out. Identifying the tree's health and working terrain location contributes to completing the work quickly and efficiently. So that's the end of our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to learn more about life. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.